Hi, I'm Linesh Pillai and I'm an urban farmer. I grow to eat and I'm going to teach you how to grow to eat. What we're going to learn is basically we're going to learn how to grow moong microgreens, and we're featuring all of this on Sanjeev Kapoor's Khazana, Growing to Eat.
Hi, I'm Shalaka and today I'm going to show you a very basic and a common recipe which we do onto our, or rather which we include into our day-to-day meals. And what's the recipe called? It's called yellow dal. So why yellow dal? Because Linesh had given me a nice green colored mustard greens.
What we teach you here at Sanjeev Kapoor's Khazana, Growing to Eat, is how to activate these dormant seeds in your kitchen. Today, what we're going to do is we're going to try and grow mustard microgreens in coconut coir, which is coco peat. Take them out of your cabinet and turn them into lovely, lush, green, nutritious additions to your meals, flavors, texture, and color.
So let's start making a yellow dal, for which I'll require a pan. The first ingredient what goes into my pan is ghee. So the next ingredient into my dal is going to be garlic. I love garlic, so I'm using a bit more. Let's saute it. I'm going to add to this a few dry red chillies, which I've just broken them. And as you can see, the red chillies have almost turned a bit of the color. Let's put our onions. Let's add some tomatoes to it. Just to make your tomatoes go pulpy faster, what you can add a bit of salt. So as you can see, tomatoes have gone a bit pulpy. I'll add turmeric to it, red chili powder, very little, and let's saute it. As you can see, the masalas have cooked. I'll pour into my dal, which is of course soaked and boiled. I'll add a bit of water to it. As you can see, it's got really nicely mixed. Let the dal simmer for 2 to 3 minutes. Let's add some salt. So now I'll add my wonder ingredient to the recipe, which says mustard greens. So here they are. I mean, this is the quantity of mustard seeds what I would generally use into this much quantity of my dal. So exactly a little lesser quantity of mustard greens I am putting into it. So as you can see, I've got the green color into my dal. So there's red, there's green, and of course there's yellow color into the dal. I've just switched off my flame for a reason. The moment I put my microgreens into it, in order to keep the nutrient factor intact into it till the time it's being consumed, you don't want it to get, really vigorous boiling and stuff like that. So the moment you pour it, just give it a stir and that's it. So now let's serve it. I have my dal ready. I've already made some burnt garlic. As I told you, I really love burnt garlic. I'm just going on plating it onto my plate. I have a few I've cut those red chilies into diagonals, a few fried curry leaves, a few fresh mustard greens onto the dal. So here it is, my yellow dal with a strong hint of mustard by using mustard greens into it, and just all my favorite ingredients onto my plate just besides it. Do enjoy.